Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we'll be unboxing the Apple iPad Pro M1 11-inch tablet. So the original starting price for this tablet is $799 for the 128 gigabyte model. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this tablet out, but before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the box. Here's a presentation from Apple. Here you have the 11-inch Liquid Retina LCD screen. This is the 128 gigabyte model. This comes in two different models, silver and space gray. We are unboxing the space gray one. This comes in 5 different storage options, starting with 128, which we have here, 256, 512, 1 TB, and 2 TB storage options. We'll be unboxing this thing and seeing what this tablet has to offer. So let's go ahead and take a look on the sides of the box. Here we have the usual Apple branding and iPad Pro on the left and right sides of the box, as you can see here. And another Apple logo along with a pull tab. And now let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here's the back side of the box. The back side of the box talks about this model being the 128 gigabyte model, iPad Pro 11-inch 3rd generation Wi-Fi model. Here in detail, this includes an iPad Pro 11-inch USB-C charge cable along with a USB-C power adapter. Now, all features are available in all areas. For additional information, go to apple.com/ipad/compare. And here's all the other information. And yeah, so that is the presentation of the box from Apple. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this iPad Pro. Here we have the pull tab here. No need for a knife. So with the plastic wrap out of the way, let's go ahead and lift up the top part of the box. So the top part of the box out of the way, here we have the iPad Pro 11-inch M1 model. We'll take a look at that later. And let's go ahead and see what we have here inside this compartment. Designed in Apple in California. Designed by Apple in California, but we all know where it's made from. And here you still have your power adapter and USB-C cable. So inside this compartment, here we have your user guide, your quick start user guide. Let's take a quick glance at this quick start user guide. Here it talks about how to use the iPad, the top button, the volume button, and to use the available Apple Pencil, and how to tap to wake. Here it teaches you how to power off. and had to use a smart keyboard to this. And here on the other side, it talks about Face ID, how to swipe up, how to access your control center, and how to access tips. So yeah, so that is the quick startup guide that comes with your iPad. And here's all the other required legal information. And for this product, it comes with your 2 iconic Apple stickers. So yeah. So let's go ahead and take a look at the power adapter. And this is a 20 watt power adapter from Apple. Still nice of Apple to give you a USB-C power adapter along with USB-C to USB-C cable. Pretty nice of them to include that there, unlike the iPhone. And here is the iPad Pro M1 11-inch tablet. Let's remove the wrap. And here we are. So let's go ahead and power this on for the first time. And here you have the iconic Apple logo on a startup screen. And with that being said, I'm going to set this iPad Pro up and we'll go through this tablet together. So here's the iPad Pro M1 all set up and ready to go. Here's the beautiful 11-inch Liquid Retina display with iOS running in the background. Let's take a look at the bottom of the iPad, which features 2 speakers along with USB-C to charge your iPad. Here on the right side, you have volume buttons and a place to charge your Apple Pencil. On the other side, here you have a mic. On the top part of the tablet, here you have your power button and another 2 speakers. So this comes with quad speakers. Now let's take a look on the back side of the tablet. So the back side of the tablet, here you have your connectors for your smart keyboard, and this comes with 12 and 10 megapixel cameras, so dual cameras for this tablet, along with a front-facing camera. And yeah, so here is iOS. Here you have your widgets and your preloaded applications or preloaded apps on this tablet. So if you scroll to your left, you have more widgets here. Scroll down to access your notifications, scroll up to go home, and here you scroll down to access your control center. And yeah, so that's about it. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this Apple iPad Pro M1 11-inch model. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Trinh. I will definitely see you on the next one.